Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video about lithium ion packs. Now, lithium ion gives you an awful lot more milliamp hours in the pack, but doesn't let you pull it as quickly. So not brilliant for racing quads, but actually for those of us that want to fly longer, that only want to pull maximum of kind of 35-40 amps out of a battery, they're actually really good. Now, I did a video back in August talking about my kit picks. One of the things I talked about in there was, does anyone know of any good suppliers of quality lithium ion packs? Because lithium ion cells have a very wide range of quality. And so consequently, you don't really know what you're getting. And fantastically, some of you got in touch and replied. Thank you all of you that did that. But I have got some of these batteries in from AuLine, A-U-L-I-N-E here. They do lots of different battery chemistries, but I've been specifically interested in the lithium ion packs because not only do they do 2, 3 and 4 cells, they also do 6 cells like this as well. Now, I've only had these in a relatively short time, but I have been playing with them and they are nicely packaged, and the way that the heat shrink is put on, the way they're put together actually does feel very good. And putting them on the charger and looking what the internal resistances of the cells are, they're not terrible for lithium ion, and also they're very closely matched as well, and that means that the performance should be a bit nicer. I've only done a little bit of flying on them, and so far I've been very impressed. But I know there are lots of you out there that are in the similar boat to me that are desperate to get your hands on good quality lithium ion packs. And hopefully these are going to fit the bill. There's nowhere locally, unfortunately, that stock them. Hopefully one of the resellers here locally in the UK will start to carry them, which will make shipping an awful lot cheaper. But I just wanted to let you know that these things exist. I'll put a link down below. Fingers crossed. Now I ordered a 6 cell, which is this one here. I also ordered 2 4 cells as well. The 6 cell is for a future project, but the 2 4 cells are going to get used in things like my dolphin, my swordfish, and potentially even things like my Atomasi penguin as well. Those kind of models will fly for a very long time with a whopping 4,000 milliamps in the nose. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.